Hello everyone. What's the difference between the deed and the contract and the title? First, please note I'm not a legal advisor. It's very important that you consult an attorney to fully understand the implication of each document. Now, let's see what's the difference between each document. The deed and the contract are two different legal instruments and are documents used in different situations. The purpose of the deed is to transfer and establish a legal ownership of the real property from one party to the other. Its primary purpose is to convey the property title. On the other hand, the contract is a legal binding agreement between the two parties or more that outlines the terms and the conditions of this transaction. This is the purpose of each. The difference legal effect between both is that the deed is an essential document in establishing the change of ownership and is recorded in public records. The contract, on the other hand, sets out the agreed upon terms and the conditions between the parties and does not in itself transfer ownership. It serves as an evidence of the parties' intentions and obligations for enforcing those obligations. Now we have the execution and delivery. The deed must meet specific legal requirements to be valid. It requires the signature of the current owner and must be delivered to the new owner. Once delivered, the deed takes effect. On contrast, the contract is a mutual agreement between the parties on all essential terms that have signed the document. Delivery is not required to be enforceable. Now, for the recording, deeds are often recorded in public records where the property is located. Recording the deed provides notice to the public and establishes a chain of title. The contract, however, it's not typically recorded unless there is a specific provision to do so. Now, what is the title in all of that? The title is a legal term that refers to the ownership of something. Think of it as the job title. What does it mean to you? It gives you the ownership of your role and specific set of responsibilities in your job. The title represents a bundle of rights that are associated with owning a specific piece of real estate. Title search involves the researching public records such as deeds, surveys, court records to determine the history of ownership and any existing liens or encumbrances to ensure a clear and marketable title. It is common for buyers to obtain title insurance. Title insurance protects the buyer and the lender against any potential defects or issues with the title that may arise in the future. With that, I hope you understood what's the difference between the three terms and enjoyed this video. See you again soon. Bye-bye.